Are you struggling to gain healthy muscle mass despite eating well and working out? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share some of the best exercises to help you build muscle, along with a natural supplement that supports your progress effectively. What is the best way to gain weight naturally and safely? Gaining healthy muscle mass is not just about eating more. It's about nourishing your body the right way. To achieve a well-built physique, you need a combination of strength training, a balanced diet, and proper supplementation. While protein-rich foods and workouts play a key role, your body must be able to absorb nutrients effectively. This is where herbal supplements help. They improve digestion, boost metabolism, and improve nutrient absorption, making sure your body utilizes every calorie efficiently. Unlike synthetic weight gainers, herbal formulas work in harmony with your body's natural processes, promoting gradual and healthy development. Which supplement is best for weight gain and why? If you're looking for a natural way to support healthy muscle growth, FitOFat Capsules help you reach your goals. This herbal formulation improves digestion, making sure the nutrients from your food are properly absorbed. It also boosts metabolism, ensuring that your body converts food into energy efficiently. Additionally, FitOFat Capsules support appetite regulation, helping you maintain a consistent calorie intake essential for muscle growth. With a blend of powerful herbs, these capsules provide a safe and natural approach to building strength and improving physical health. What to expect from FitOFat Capsules? Improves digestion and boosts metabolism.
FitOFat capsules contain couch beech, ashwagandha, and amla, which support digestive health and metabolism. A well-functioning digestive system allows your body to break down food properly, ensuring better energy levels and muscle growth.
Promotes optimal nutrient absorption and appetite. The herbal ingredients in FitOFat capsules support the body's ability to absorb nutrients efficiently. This helps you get the maximum benefits from your meals while also encouraging a natural increase in appetite, making it easier to maintain a high-energy diet. Supports healthy muscle mass development. Herbs like Saphid Musli, Vidarakand, and Shatavari help strengthen muscles and improve endurance. This makes FitOFat capsules a great choice for those looking to gain strength and build a well-toned body. Safe and natural supplement with no side effects. Made from herbal ingredients, FitOFat capsules provide a safe way to support your fitness goals. They help naturally without the risk of harmful side effects, making them suitable for long-term use. Made of high-quality herbs for general well-being. FitOFat capsules contain nourishing herbs like amla and shatavari, which do more than support muscle growth. They also help boost immunity, improve stamina, and promote lasting vitality. Best exercises to gain weight quickly and effectively. Squats. Squats work multiple muscle groups, including your legs, glutes, and core. This full-body movement promotes muscle gain by challenging your lower body while engaging your core for stability. Adding weights, like barbells or dumbbells, can intensify the workout, stimulating growth even further. Deadlifts. Few exercises activate as many muscles as the deadlift. This compound movement targets your back, legs, and core, forcing your body to adapt by building mass. Proper form is key. Keeping your back straight and lifting with your legs prevents injury while ensuring maximum gains. Bench press. A classic for a reason, the bench press primarily works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's an excellent way to add upper body strength while increasing overall muscle size. Whether using a barbell or dumbbell, controlled movements and steady progression lead to noticeable results. Pull-ups. Pull-ups might seem simple, but they effectively build the back, shoulder, and arm muscles. Adding weighted pull-ups can further challenge your upper body, making it easier to pack on mass over time. Consistency is crucial. Doing them regularly will yield significant strength improvements. Overhead shoulder press. Pressing weights overhead engages your shoulders, triceps, and upper chest, creating broad, powerful shoulders. Whether you use dumbbells or a barbell, maintaining a steady motion prevents strain while maximizing muscle activation. This move also improves overall pressing strength. Lunges. Lunges target your legs and glutes while improving balance and coordination. Carrying weights while stepping forward or backward increases resistance, leading to better muscle definition. This movement also helps develop stability, which benefits other weight training exercises. Bent over rows. This back-focused exercise strengthens your lats, traps, and biceps, contributing to a stronger, more muscular frame. Using proper posture, keeping your back flat and pulling the weight towards your torso ensures you get the most out of each rep while avoiding injury. Dips. Dips are a powerhouse move for building chest, shoulders, and triceps. Performing them with controlled motion or adding weights using a dip belt speeds up muscle development. This body weight exercise is simple yet incredibly effective for adding upper body size. By following these simple exercises and consistently using FitOFat Capsules for 3 months, you can effectively support healthy weight gain and muscle growth. Achieving a well-balanced body and muscle mass is possible with the right approach. You can get FitOFat Capsules from naturogain.com to naturally support your fitness goals. If you found this video informative, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, discover the best appetite booster weight gain supplements for skinny girls and guys.